In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user authentication in your Base4 app. By the end, you'll have a clear path to turning on secure sign-in so only the right users can access your app. We'll move through the Base44 interface together, and I'll point out what to look for and why it matters, keeping things simple and practical. Start by opening the Base44 homepage in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look for the Apps section in the main navigation. This is where all of your projects live. Head into Apps to see your list, then choose the specific app you want to protect. Picking the right app here ensures you're editing the correct configuration and not changing settings for a different project. When the app opens, you'll land on its dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It gives you quick access to everything you need for building and managing the app. From here, find the Settings area. Settings is where the app's core policies and behaviors are defined, so it's the natural place for login and access controls. Inside Settings, open the Authentication section. This page brings all your sign-in options into one place. You'll see switches and fields that let you choose how users create accounts and how they sign back in later. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can get secure quickly without wading through extra menus. Enable email and password authentication if you want a classic, universally familiar login. This approach is great when you need broad compatibility and control over password rules. As you turn it on, take a moment to review any options the page presents, such as requiring email verification or setting minimum password strength. Clear labels will guide you, and choosing sensible defaults helps reduce support requests later. If you plan to invite people from multiple organizations, keep requirements simple. If it's for an internal team, consider stricter settings. If your users prefer a faster sign-in, enable Google Authentication. This adds a Continue with Google option, reducing friction and helping users skip password management altogether. When you turn it on, Base44 will show any fields it needs right on this page. Follow the on-screen guidance and keep your app's domain details consistent so sign-in works smoothly. With your choices made, glance back over the authentication page to confirm everything looks right. Return to the dashboard to verify that the login options you enabled appear as expected. That's it. Your Base44 app now supports secure sign-in with the methods you selected, ready for your users to access confidently.